What is pre-felt? Pre-felt is felt that has not finished the felting process. It's when the fibers have started to combine, but they have not shrunk into a smaller, tighter piece of non-woven fabric. And you can use either a commercially prepared needle punched felt or handmade pre-felt to create interest, detail, designs on your felt. And a simple way of using pre-felt would be to lay out 2 layers of fiber for the base of, let's say, a wall hanging, and then to cut shapes out of pre-felt and position these as embellishments on top of your base and combine everything together. And the pre-felt just behaves like any other embellishment or any other layer of fabric that is wool, and it will just melt into your background, and you will get, the shape will remain, you will get interesting results in your felt. Now you can make your pre-felt by hand. You just lay out the fiber exactly as if you were making any piece of flat felt. You can include embellishments or not, whatever you want. And then you start the felting process. And when you feel that the wool fiber is coming together and it's just starting to shrink, that is the stage that I would stop working it. I would allow it to dry. And then I don't even bother removing the soap. I would just cut the pre-felt into shape when I wanted to use that to embellish or decorate another project. So I just allow it to dry and then cut it out, and it's ready to use. With commercial pre-felt, it probably blends in with your background more than handmade pre-felt because it's really not had any shrinkage or soap and water before. It's created using needles that just punch up and down through layers of fiber. So you may find that shrinks more and it blends more with your background. You can also use pre-felt with Nuno felt. You could cut shapes out and just position it on fabric and it will go through your fabric. Personally, I don't find that works so well, but many felters like using commercially prepared pre-felt for Nuno felt. I prefer laying my fiber out by hand. But that's just a rough or a simple guide. Pre-felt is partially felted fiber, and then you can cut it into shapes and you can use it to decorate anything that you are working on.